Hello, I'm Infinity Studios, and we are back with another episode of The Last of Us. As you can plainly tell, you massive dumbass, otherwise you wouldn't have clicked on the video icon thing. Anyways, whoa, that was a really weird pronunciation of anyways. Anyways, is what I think I said. That's beside the point, I'm starting to ramble now. Anyhow, last time we left off, we got done with the intro bit, and now we're in the actiony part, and I'm waving my arms around like a complete idiot. You can't see, so I'm telling you, obviously. Like I'm in some Jet Li kung fu action flick, and I'm flapping my arms around like a stupid person. Anyways, we just ended the cutscene where Joel and Tess were talking, and now we are at the actual first part of the action gameplays. So I'm gonna press start, and we're gonna play the game. Okay.
Are you serious?
I got served the damn papers this morning. I've been
He got
selected
served
for
the
an
papers.
outside
Oh, he's getting a divorce. No, I'm kidding.
Soldiers are supposed to handle the outside.
Apparently that girl there has been sentenced to doing work outside of the quarantine zone, which is bullshit apparently, because soldiers are apparently, I'm saying apparently a lot, I'll stop that, are supposed to handle that. So pointless bit of commentary there. Oh my god, this game is so good.
Look at that. Ration line hasn't opened yet. Must be running low again.
Running low on rations. Oh no. That obviously isn't good. Obviously. I'll let the scene play out. It's really sad. Oh god.
Beat it, pal.
No. Oh. Oh wow, wow, it's a really weird lame laugh. I didn't expect that to happen at all. I've never gotten that before. Wow, okay. Okay, so basically what happens, well, fine, I'll let this play out again. Or I'll just fast forward a bit, and we'll get to the actual scene. Oh shit.
I'm not infected.
Hold her down.
Do it.
She's infected.
Eyes forward.
Oh god.
Alright. She's down.
Whoa.
Shut up. Consider yourself lucky. What happens when you hide out in a condemned building? All the cleanup.
Wow, that sucks.
Seems like more people are getting infected.
That just means more people are sneaking.
More people are sneaking out, apparently. Oh god, I have to stop saying apparently.
Caught him trying to use fake rations.
I got us all new papers. They shouldn't give us any
All
static
new
up there.
papers, great.
Just play it cool.
Okay, I'll be extra super cool. I'll put on my sunglasses as you do, and then, you know, if they try and take them off, another pair will just magically appear, and I'll say, deal with it. Or however that meme goes.
See you later. Here you go. What's your business here? Got the day off. Visiting a friend. Alright, move on through. Thanks.
Ooh, and by visiting a friend, he means I'm going to I'm going to stalk this guy down and put an end to his life. Okay, quick turn. There we go. Oddly enough, I never really used that once while actually playing through the single player. Maybe I'll try and use that this time. Okay, just walking into this building like a cool guy.
So much for the easy route.
Easy route, got it.
Put yourself up, all right?
Okay, health kits. Yes, I know. I've played this before.
They're gonna close all the checkpoints. We're gonna have to go around the outside.
Got it.
Outside. The wall.
Outside.
Or we could just let Robert go.
Cute.
Hey Tess, you see that shit?
I was there.
Wow, weird glowing
Anthony's
eyes.
tunnel looking.
Yeah, there's a pair
It's clear.
glasses
I
on.
just used it. No patrols. And where are you off to?
Gonna pay Robert a visit?
You too?
Who else is looking for him?
Marlene? She's been asking around, trying to find him.
Marlene? What do the Fireflies need with Robert?
You think she'd tell me?
Well, what did you tell her?
The truth. I got no idea where he's hiding.
Good man. Hey, you stay out of trouble, all right? Military's gonna be out in force soon.
Yeah, see you around.
So, apparently we
Marlene looking for Robert?
are going
What do
to
you make of
go
I don't like it. We better find him before the Fireflies do.
and find this guy named Robert. Sorry, my brain's kind of paused and, or,
This is us.
yep, this is us.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Shit's stirring up out there.
Stirring
How we
the
looking
shit
over
up.
here?
It's been quiet. I'm sorry, the military.
I just find this way too entertaining. Whoa. Oh, man, I can't do any more quick turns. That sucks.
Joel, give me a
Okay,
hand with
got
this.
it. Drag it to the left. Bottle physics for the win. I'm sure that somebody creamed their pants for that awesome bottle game physics.
Oh, God, this place reeks. I need to watch what they throw away down here.
Why? What do they throw away? I have no clue.
Grab our gear.
Okay, over here. Got it. Going for a jog. A vault. Got it. There we go. Over that wall. Struggling to find interesting things to say.
Our backpacks are still here from last
Fantastic.
night.
Okay, backpacks and guns. Oh, come on. There we go.
Not a lot of ammo.
Not a lot of ammo. Fan-fucking-tastic. Can't wait. Four rounds, yeah, that really isn't a lot of ammo at all. Okay, I'll boost you up then. There we go, come on.
You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on now.
Come on.
Jump then. There we go. Wow, I'm really goddamn tired. I just had a massive yawn that I tried to make super quiet so that you couldn't hear it. Don't know why I felt the need to say that.
Why not?
Got a trick.
Yeah. Moving on.
Ain't been out here in a while.
It's like we're on a date.
Well, I am the romantic type.
You got your ways.
Now kiss. Fight, fight, fight. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Come on, let's go. Okay, there we go.
Where's the ladder?
It's got to be around here somewhere.
It's right behind here.
Got it.
Great, bring it over.
Awesome ladder carrying action game of the year. Okay, let's place this.
Ladies first.
Lady, you must be thinking of someone else.
It's all relative.
This way. Down through here.
Got it.
I think Robert's still got our guns.
For his sake. He better.
Look, once we get our
Arthur, there
merchandise
we go.
back, it should be easy to unload.
Well, speaking of merchandise, when's that next shipment due?
Well, we're meeting Bill next month. More pills, lots of ammo. Supposedly. Hold up.
Oh.
Spores.
Spores, there we go. And gas mask. Gas masks are amazing. And frightening and cool.
Where the hell are all these coming from? The place was clear last time.
They're coming out of something. Stay alert.
Right through here.
There's our culprit.
Body's not that old.
Nope.
Better keep your eyes on your nose.
Wow, that's super gross and disgusting. Oh, God.
We should be able to fit through here.
Oh, of course.
You okay?
Yeah. Damn ceiling's falling apart. Be careful.
Okay, gotta crouch through here. Or, shimmy, actually.
Easy.
Oh, fuck. That freaked me out
My mask broke.
extremely bad when I first played this.
Only if you turn.
Poor bastard.
Wow. Oh, God. This game is fucking brutal. You'll find that out about 11 hours in, when there's a major point in the game. You'll know it when you see it, and I have a feeling that I will announce that part. God, my jaw remained dropped for like literally half an hour as that part happened, and I hadn't dropped so long that like half an hour passed, and a friend walked into my room as my jaw was still open and asked me what was wrong. Oh, God. This game is amazing. Okay, R2 to hold to focus Joel's hearing. There we go. I got super daredevil powers. Awesome. Okay, let's take this guy out stealthily.
How you want to handle it?
Strangle. There we go. And he's down. Okay, there's no way I'm going to be able to get both of these guys. See if I can get a headshot. Ah, damn. If I hadn't missed that one shot, I would have had one round left. That one round would have made a huge, massive difference if this wasn't still the tutorial zone. And 1 second, someone has entered my room once again. And back. God, sorry about that. I just need to log all my doors next time, to make sure no one interrupts me. So, where were we? Okay, we just killed those guys, or those infected, actually. And surprisingly, we lost no health, which is awesome. Open this door like a badass. Of course, more ammo. Great. 3 shots. And apparently that's it. Okay, well, next room. No, apparently not that way. There we go. Wow, this game is just absolutely stunningly awesome and beautiful. This has to be the greatest looking game on the PS3. Again, well, not again, but if you haven't already gone out and bought this game, then I suggest you do so immediately. Like, pause this go to Amazon.com or wherever and buy this game. And if you don't have a PS3, then buy a PS3 and get this game. It's just that good. Stop praising it so much now.
Some fresh air. That's the one thing I love about the outside. I fucking hate the smell of the city.
Why don't you ask Bill to get you some of them air fresheners?
Hey, if they weren't expired, that'd be a good idea.
Cleverly hidden trap door type thing.
Through here. Cover the entrance.
I got it.
And up here. Yep. Fallen plank.
Damn it. Plank fell down.
Oh, okay, I can't just drop off there. Okay, I will indeed be a deer. I'll go and find my
I'll get it.
my antlers stowed away in my closet somewhere. My closet of infinite space and black hole-ishness. I swear, I have so many things inside my closet. And like, more than half the stuff isn't mine. It's just filled with random junk of my parents and relatives and things.
It's a bit heavy.
I think I can handle it.
And this way.
All right.
God, I can't stop yawning. It's I hope that you yawn when you
Get your ass
watch
up here.
this,
Let's move.
Bossy today.
and I hope you can't stop just like me. I'll give you my curse, hopefully.
Make sure there ain't any soldiers around.
Parkour!
It's clear. Come on.
Vaulted over that like a pro. Amazing.
Shut it.
Yes, more ammo.
Pick up that
7
ammo.
rounds now.
I'm sure we'll need it. Hey, little man. Make sure the coast is clear. No soldiers, none of Robert's men, yeah?
You know he's
Yay.
expecting us.
Interesting.
Well, that'll make it more interesting. Good to go. Come on.
Hey, Tex. Hey, pretty lady, how you doing today? I heard you
Not
got
right
some
now,
merchandise.
Terrence.
No.
Oh
it's
my
okay.
God.
Look,
Not now. You hear me?
Wow, I just... Wow, this is so unprofessional. Subtitles, of course. Wow. This is like more than half an hour in without subtitles. Wow, that's just great. No. Game on, please. Resume.
I'll help you find it.
Wow. There we go. Subtitles. Yay.
You touch it, you buy it.
Tess, number one, you don't visit us anymore.
Who the hell is that?
None of your damn business.
Bum fights. Bum fights. Yes. Ah. Oh. Apocalypse, but bump fights. That's the name of my new indie band. It's gonna be amazing.
Malik, sit back
Oh,
down.
sorry,
You know,
guys.
we do
Didn't realize you two were together. Go
small
ahead.
gigs at the pub. Yeah,
Who's that?
I'd say we're pretty good. Apocalypse bump fights for the win. Some guy just sharp. Oh god, I can't speak anymore.
I'm looking for Rob.
Some guy just sharpening his
Half hour ago.
his
I went back to the wharf.
blade in the background.
Now.
God, why am I so tired? Ah, fuck.